Oh, didn't see you there. Hi, my name is Renee, and I'm here to introduce you to the wonderful world of nature, one clip at a time. We talked to a few people who know a thing or two about nature, and even a few who don't.
So invasive species, which are characterized as those that are introduced to an environment that they're not native to.
Humans do a lot of things. We cut down trees, we pollute the air. Pretty much everything we've done over the past years has no real positive effect on the earth.
Variety of people that have some sort of connection with nature, and they just try to find ways to make it better or even maintain it.
Well, that's it. I hope you learn a couple things about nature, and have a wonderful day.